Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Better Totes and Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about bricks. Now you're probably thinking, the outside of the building finally. No. There's a little thing here at the Tote that's probably been happening for a long time where these wonderful things have been used to keep doors open. Now, as you can all guess, having bricks randomly in a pub full of people drinking is probably not the best idea. So we're going to go around today and we're going to make sure that every door that needs to stay open in any way will no longer have a brick doing it, but the appropriate bit of engineered hook.
You're on.
Okay everyone, so I'm going to run you through the tools we use on our mission to the bricks off. The first thing we're going to need is a hammer drill. We're going to be going into a fair bit of brickwork. I think almost all going through brickwork. So that'll just punch the holes in so we can chuck the bits in. So as part of that, we're going to need something to whack a hole in, which is the drill pieces obviously. So these are well rated enough to bust through some brick. Then of course, as part of that, we're going to need green plugs. So I've got a load of green plugs in the little box of tricks here, which is these lovely things. If you don't know what they're for, it's basically just so when you screw in, it stays screwed in. That's basically it. I don't know how else to describe it. And then once you do screw in, you're going to need impact driver and some bits for the impact driver, just so you can screw in the cabinet hardware, which we've got here. So a lot of what we're going to be doing is just plain old cabin hooks because they're nice and easy. They're out of the way. You don't need anything fancy to keep a door open. And that's kind of it. Obviously, got all the good things, like spare battery, because I guarantee we're going to need that. And everything we need to get rid of the 1001 bricks we've got. So yeah, comment away about what a bad tradie I am. Not a tradie, don't care. So be it.
There?
Yeah, so as you can see, we've got the brick. Let's just see if we've got the how am I going to do shit stuff? Seriously.
You're flying away.
Should go get the ladder over wait so I can
You're usually very good at this stuff.
Yeah, I know. I might be nervous.
Little camera shy, Shane.
Camera shy, mate.
You, camera shy?
Might just be nervous. Anyway, I got plenty of time to redeem myself.
Oh, plenty of jobs to complete.
Plenty of
showing
jobs.
them, so.
Anyway, so what we need to do is make sure that this has got an actual heating on it.
Do you want the hook on the wall?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Hey.
You want it on the door?
Well, I could put
Either
it on
way,
the
it doesn't
door.
really matter,
It doesn't really matter, but I'm just thinking
On the wall.
on the wall, it's just less of a chance of someone grabbing it. And
On the wall.
anyone want another pub lesson? Everything you do, you're idiot proof, which means just get me to do it as chief idiot. Because like the smallest things people up when they drink it. And believe it or not, like, guarantee you put this up, somebody is going to grab it, hurt themselves, somebody will come in and sharpen it or some shit. You don't know what happens. But just idiot proof everything. So if you ever need anything done in a pub, if you own a pub and you need to idiot proof something, call me, nominal fee, I'll idiot proof it for you. But yeah, we're going to put this on the wall, even though, because it's just, people look out the door of the toilet, they don't really look around.
And usually this is open anyway.
And usually it's open anyway, so, but definitely, I'm going to put that there. Anyway, right, Leanne, we're going to get a,
Brick.
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 Is that a safety ladder? Just got to drill a couple of holes in. You watch me yourself. Leanne knows how to put the green in, so Leanne's going to put that. So this is, you watch. How are you going to hold that heavy without hitting me? You watch.
Oh, Shane.
That's right, that's right. It's the plaster.
Not as I know.
I don't even think I hit brick then.
No, you didn't.
I did it?
Oh, top one, yeah.
Alright, we'll give it a go.
Top one's going to be tricky, so you do that one.
Well, I really should go chop the rest of that off, shouldn't I?
The Stanley.
Yeah, I should. But anyway. I'll do it next time. We good, Leanne?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright, you want
Here we go.
I really should chop that off. You want to do the next one?
Yeah, it was a screw.
To that big box there?
I'm actually not very good at this.
You can do it. I'll hold this up out of the right for you. Yeah, just put it on the green bit
I'm
and just
doing
screw it. Boom, boom. Ah!
Done.
Anyway. They'll stay.
Very
I reckon
good.
I should be the one going around popping these tools in, Shane.
Nominated.
Don't
I'm not
underestimate.
underestimating you. I'm just saying that you're not going to do it.
No, I don't want to do it. That's not what I said.
You're saying you should.
I should be the one doing it.
But like, who's the one who's going to be doing it? What? Oh, you're right, dude. Yeah, good job.
I know.
But you're giving the false impression to people on YouTube that this is something that you do often.
I've done it enough.
Done enough.
Yeah.
Not more than me. How are we looking there? Look good, Jotho?
Yeah, looking pretty good
That
from
looking pretty horizontal from your angle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
This bit there. I wonder if they can see how good the glitter is on this.
It's actually popping alright. Oh, gee.
Do we do it, Shane?
How many times do I need to drop these things?
There we go.
Hey?
There it is.
Anyway, I think I was doing it intentionally so everyone gets involved in the drama.
Comment section's popping off.
Anyway, I'm not going to put the thicky screws in this one. Just go skinny
Little screws.
Skinny little screws. Thinny or skinny? Thinny and thick? Okay. Alright, I'll do the first one first, then you do the next one, yeah? Does that sound good?
Sounds great.
Now I'm going to see where I put that mark. Oh, wait. Right, Bergeron, you're up, pal. A little finish through.
quite short, aren't I?
Quite short.
A little more.
Oh, I think I cooked it.
What do you mean you cooked it? Just chuck her in there, mate.
That'll do well.
Start stripping. Good job. Right, you want to be the first one to serve and close as well?
Bam.
Holy.
Look at that.
How you do it?
We did that as loving partners.
Yeah, we did.
Hey?
I got half of it.
You got half of that? Hey, that's alright. It's more than what she's got. Oh, sorry, I said she. More than what you've got. What's that? Jeez, your shoulder just got cold.
Oh, dog.
Yeah.
Oh no, we're gonna get taken down.
You need to buy me some KFC to apologise.
She wants a single box. She's trading now. Anyway, look, one more brick down. Anyway, Gaz, let's cue the montage of us all going around and fixing the rest of this, because I think that's enough comedy
Plenty of
for this episode.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon. We'll montage this. Do we have music yet?
There it is.
Can we do the Karate Kid music? You're the best around until you're not, and then you're down. Oh, we need a hammer. Nothing. Have you finished your meeting yet? We continue.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm going this way.
How much reach does the hook have?
Not. That's what happens when you use bar stools to keep everything going. Oh, watch me push this through it. 100%. Look at that. That just cut the whole straight. You have to film me being an idiot all the time, Joe. Film me being smart here, Joe.
Is it?
Yeah. She was stuck and now she's about to be very unstuck.
You need my help?
I need lots of help, yeah. Do you want to learn what we're doing? We're everything up.
I actually know how to do that. What's the problem?
Everything.
Look, it genuinely just broke.
It just sheared off.
What happened? Oh, nice. Mate. Nice.
Anyway, it works. YouTube.